I just wanted to share a simple yet incredible experience I've had over the past few weeks. I've always known hydration is important, but I never thought it could make such a huge difference in my daily life. As someone who's always on the go, I thought I was doing okay with my water intake, but it turns out I was barely scratching the surface. About a month ago, I decided to challenge myself to drink an extra glass of water every day. I'm talking about a full 8-ounce glass on top of what I already drink. At first, it was tough. I had to remind myself to drink it, and I had to run to the bathroom a lot. But as the days went by, my body started to adjust, and I began to notice some amazing changes. The physical benefits. My skin looks clearer and more radiant. I mean, I'm not saying I'm suddenly glowing or anything, but my acne has definitely decreased, and my skin tone looks more even. I've always struggled with dry skin, but since starting this challenge, my skin feels softer and more hydrated. I have way more energy. I'm not bouncing off the walls or anything, but I feel more alert and focused throughout the day. I've noticed I can get through my workouts without feeling as drained, and I'm not crashing on the couch as much after dinner. My headaches have almost disappeared. I used to get tension headaches all the time, especially during stressful periods or when I was working on a deadline. But since starting this challenge, I've only had one mild headache. I know it's not just the water that's responsible, but I think it's definitely played a role. I'm sleeping better. I don't know if it's the hydration or the fact that I'm not waking up to pee as much, but I'm sleeping more soundly and waking up feeling refreshed. I've also noticed I'm not tossing and turning as much at night, which is a huge improvement. The mental benefits. I feel more focused and productive. Drinking that extra glass of water has become a mindfulness practice for me. It reminds me to slow down and take care of myself. When I drink my water, I take a few deep breaths and think about my goals for the day. It's a small act of self-love that sets a positive tone for the rest of the day. I'm more creative. I know it sounds weird, but I feel like my brain is working better. I've been coming up with new ideas and solutions to problems that have been stumping me for weeks. Maybe it's the water. Maybe it's coincidence, but I'm rolling with it. The best part? The best part is that it's not just about the physical benefits. Drinking that extra glass of water has become a ritual for me. It's a reminder to take care of myself, to prioritize my health and well-being. When I drink my water, I feel like I'm investing in myself, and that's a great feeling. So, if you're like me and you've been looking for a simple way to boost your health and well-being, give this a try. Drink an extra glass of water every day and see how it makes you feel. Don't expect overnight miracles, but do expect to notice some changes over time. Let me know in the comments if you've had similar experiences, or if you have any tips for staying hydrated.
Tips for staying hydrated.
Keep a refillable water bottle with you throughout the day. I like to keep mine on my desk or in my bag. Set reminders on your phone to drink water at specific times of the day. I drink a glass of water as soon as I wake up, and then I try to drink another glass with each meal. Infuse your water with fruits or herbs for a bit of flavor. I like to add slices of lemon or lime to my water for a bit of zing. Make it a habit. Drinking water should become second nature, like brushing your teeth or taking a shower. I've had a few people ask about my water drinking routine, so I'll share. I drink a glass of water as soon as I wake up, and then I try to drink another glass with each meal. I also keep a refillable water bottle with me throughout the day. It's not rocket science, but it's working for me. Drinking an extra glass of water every day has improved my skin, energy, and sleep, and has become a mindfulness practice for me. Give it a try and see how it makes you feel. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel at BBFMM for more contents. BBFMM, your health, our priority.